Looking for two delicious snacks that are perfect for any occasion? Today I'm sharing a crispy flavor-packed sun-dried tomato pesto bites recipe and crunchy savory nuggets that everyone will love. First, let's make sun-dried tomato pesto bites. Take the ingredient for the pesto in a mixer grinder and grind it to a paste. Adjust the seasoning and keep aside. Now take the cream cheese in a bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the pesto to it. Mix well and transfer to a pimping bag. Next, cut the crust off the bread slices and discard them. Now place the bread in a muffin mold to form a cup shape. Pipe the pesto filling in the center and bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes until crisp and holds shape. And garnish with some parsley. Serve at room temperature. Now, if you are in the mood for something crispy and crunchy, let's make savory nuggets. In a large mixing bowl, add mashed potatoes, spices, all the veggies, soaked poha, corn flour and mix well to form a soft dough. Now roll it into a 2-inch thick cylinder and cut it into 1-inch thick small pieces. In another small bowl, add all-purpose flour, little water and mix it well to form a thick slurry. Now dip the nuggets into the slurry and coat them with savory. Deep fry them till golden brown on all sides. Serve them with ketchup or chutney of your choice. Whether you are serving elegant bite-sized appetizers or craving something crispy and comforting, these two recipes are sure to be a hit. Try them at home and let us know which one you would pick first: sun-dried tomato pesto bites or savory nuggets.